Today we're going to bring a controller that looks exact like a PlayStation 4 controller. Now, if you guys notice, there's a couple extra buttons on the left and the right that you guys see it, and an extra one in the bottom. Now on the bottom, if you guys can see, there's also a connection for your headset and an exit connection for your 3.5 jack connection also too. And very easy, simple. It feels the same. The actual push button, the same too. The only features that I see that are different is that you have a Type C, and it kind of reminds me of the PlayStation 5 controller, which is almost similar to it. It feels the same thing like a PlayStation 4 controller. There's nothing different other than the buttons a little bit better than this one. Actually, the buttons are really good on this one. Flexibility, noise-wise, they don't make too much noise. Clicking. You could hear the clicking sounds, the exit button, power button, and then you got different kind of buttons because they cannot use the PlayStation because it's trademark. So they have different shapes, so you could tell which one it is. If you could tell which one's the X, circle, it's pretty rectangle and square, of course. So very simple to charge. Just pretty much plug it in and turn it on. To turn it on, let's go ahead and turn it on. Runs. Okay, we have a T-share here, and we have an options button, and then we have the exit and power button here. If you notice, we just turned it on right now. All right, this actual controller lasts a lot longer, and if you ever run out of batteries, you can always directly plug it into your PlayStation, and it will charge it up too. Now, this is a great controller to replace any kind of a PlayStation controllers 4. It's not compatible with 5 yet, but the next version might be. Now, I like the whole feel. There's nothing different about this controller with a regular controller. It feels the same. Actually, it feels a little bit better because it has these grooves in here that you can feel it, and it kind of gives you a better grip when you're playing. So if you're playing Apex or Call of Duty, it's a great controller too. You got the same buttons, the same feel and everything pretty much, the home button and then the clicking button, and including the actual similar connection as the PlayStation 3 controllers, PlayStation 4 controllers too. So the buttons themselves are very smooth, the top buttons, and the whole system is nothing changes on it. It feels exactly like a PlayStation 4 at a cheaper cost and even better price, to be honest with you. Instead of spending so much money on a PlayStation 4 controller, maybe give it an option. So I hope you guys liked the video.